What's going on, everybody? As always, it's a blessing to be here and welcome to UL Exchange. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button with the bell notification so you can be notified every single time I drop information packed videos just like the one you're watching right now. So by that being said, guys, today's video will be taking a look at XRP. We'll also get into the Twitter and see and understand what's really going on about XRP price and where the price is headed for the future. So let's just get straight into it. As always, starting off with CoinMarketCap is currently at $1,023 billion, $70 billion for 24-hour volume. Dominance, Bitcoin, Ethereum hanging around the same thing, and Ethereum gas fees is pretty low at 10 Gwei, waiting for Ethereum 2.0 to drop. So XRP is currently at 34 cents and is up 2.32%. Market cap at 17 billion, fully diluted is 36 billion. On 24-hour volume, sitting very close to $1 billion at $955 million. So let's just quickly get into all the news and the articles and the tweets. So if you guys have not, seen what's going on Twitter, this is just a quick update that the Ripple lawyers take a dig at Vitalik Buterin following his comments. And his comments were very brutal, specifically targeting XRP and making it seem like XRP is a joke. But what did David Schwartz say? And the Ripple lawyers, they did reply, but Buterin remarks on XRP. And then the Ripple reacts to Buterin remarks as David Schwartz noted that Ethereum is proposing the motion for the government to sanction projects contrary to their narrative. So that Buterin was basically saying that XRP was controlled by the government and it is not a decentralized token but a centralized one, and it was just making jokes. But hey, Ripple came back with the fire. So starting off the tweets, take a look at this. And this is what I've always been saying. XRP will have zero price limitations because it has to be dependent on the ODL on-demand liquidity. And each XRP cannot be worth $1 or less. It can't be worth 1,000 or less. It has to be at least 5 digits. And that's just my perspective. That's why I'm giving you guys my digital perspective on UL Exchange. So this is not financial advice. I'm just putting a video out here saying this is what I'm doing, and that's it. So 1 to 2K first move and 10 to 40K derivatives market. I don't know about the 100K mark as the world economy grows, but hey, it could really hit those numbers when Bitcoin hits over 100K. So he said that no, I'm not saying derivatives will come tomorrow, but they will. So remove those who tell you $10 XRP max price. Seriously, they don't have a clue. Think of the bigger picture. So as I've always been telling you guys, that people that tell you guys $5 XRP, I'm taking 90% profit, $10 XRP, I'm cashing out on everything. They probably have a ton of XRP, but still they don't understand the full potential of XRP if they truly believe that $10 is a max for XRP. See, when the price of XRP is hovering around 34 cents, you could see the price of XRP hitting $10 to be the maximum if you're just taking a look at it from the smaller box mindset of saying that, oh, it has reached around $3.50, even on some exchange sites around $4, but it has a potential to go to $10. If you don't know the technology, you could be saying that, but for us, for the ones that are chosen and for the ones that know what XRP is meant to handle and what XRP is meant to be, we understand that the 5 digits are just a momentary come. And it could be a black swan event, but we're just waiting to see. I'll keep you guys updated. Yeah, I haven't made videos in a couple of days, maybe a week. I've been traveling, so that was the reason. But let me paint a picture, bullish momentum set for you. What does the first thing say on the bottom left? XRP, Ripple. The plan has been in the works for 10 plus years. And you guys probably didn't even know it. But the ones that are watching this video, you probably did. It's unfolding right in front of your eyes. And that's why we all have invested our money into XRP. So let me zoom into the picture and show you guys what is really going on. Look at all the important figures and some figures that you probably didn't know. Where is Brad Garlinghouse? Of course, he is right here. Ripple, Bank of Indonesia, head of fintech office. Take a look at all these people. This person is not named. This person is not named. These two people. This person is not named. And one of these people are not named. But of course, who is this? Christine Lagarde, IMF, International Monetary Fund. High-level advisory group of the IMF Interdepartmental Working Group on FinTech Technology, taken as Singapore FinTech Festival. You see all the smiles on these people's faces, and the ones that are grinning ear to ear, they know what is coming. Look at all these smiles. Look at all these smiles. They know what is coming, and they are ready and they are prepared for it. They are just preparing the public to be on page. So that's what I'm telling y'all. Stay vigilant within these markets. It's not just looking at technical analysis and taking a look at the news, but understand what the technology is able to do. So there's a quick video, 1 minute and 31 seconds. Jack the Ripper posted, former comptroller of the currency, Brian Brooks, US predicts settlement in XRP lawsuit. So let me quickly play this video for you guys.
The Biden administration who agree with that. You know, if it is true that Michael Barr is my successor at the OCC, I think he's likely to have more of a thesis similar to mine on this. He has a background having spent some time on the Ripple advisory board, for example. And on the other hand, Secretary Yellen has said some relatively skeptical things about the asset class. So I don't think it's a partisan issue. I think it's more about who's a tech adopter and who's an innovator versus who isn't.
Brian, speaking of Ripple, you worked at Coinbase. You worked in the government, albeit for under a year. So tell us, is XRP a security, yes or no?
Well, you know, these are complicated questions and matters of pending litigation, so who can say?
Whoa. Of course. We don't really want to answer that question on public television, do we? Of course not, but behind closed doors, he will most likely tell you, or allegedly will tell you, that XRP is not a security.
There is a difference, okay? There's a difference between the way in which an asset is distributed and the nature of the asset at a given moment in time. And I think the issue in Ripple that gets lost in all of the discussion is whatever happened in the original distribution of XRP tokens, 10 years ago, and whether that was or wasn't an unregistered securities offering, that's what the courts will decide. That's a different question from whether XRP today is a security. And the SEC itself has said that assets can change their nature over time as they achieve utility.
Okay, I'll just leave it for right there, but you can even hear him in his voice and the way he's speaking that he probably believes XRP is not a security. Moving on to the next thing, which is a euro collapse. Euro collapse was inevitable. And here's Jim Cramer saying, do not bet against the almighty euro. That's what I tell you guys. You could believe these TV investor gurus or, do your own research. Jim Cramer is a person that I personally never believed, but that's my personal opinion, because anyone that's really working, trying to make you money on public television, especially for a news channel, I'm good. I'd rather do my own research. There was even statistical proven that most of his stock picks have been going to zero, even when he said, do not invest in Bitcoin. Well, look where Bitcoin is. And I feel like he's just there to divert the public, but that's just my belief. And over here, we continue on with the segment of the Eurozone slide toward recession points euro to 20-year lows. Take a look at this. Dollar on top after euro hits 20-year lows. Sterling skids. And the euro is sucking up to the United States and listening to it like a little child that it is. And as the United States is a big daddy, of course, of everything, as it is in the financial markets currently, they're not buying anything. They're just listening to the United States and falling on their butt. The benchmark gas prices in the European Union surged 13% overnight to a record peak. It's not 13% over 100 years, 10 years mark overnight. And markets are betting on the Fed raising rates by 75 basis points next month. So why would the markets even be betting for the basis rates to be raised 75 points by next month? Because they understand that the market as a whole understands that it is failing. The euro is failing. And Wall Street Silver reported up to 60% of German households will have to use their total available income or more for pure living. Just pure living and not enjoyment. Energy, food, and overall inflation is pushing most Germans to the brink. It's crazy what's really going on over the world. And we can quickly take a look at XRP chart. As I mentioned it for the millionth time, XRP chart, we're just here to say where the price is currently headed for the current condition that XRP is in. We all know that these price predictions will be nothing compared to what the true price of XRP is. But currently XRP is making a double bottom and is trying to, we're on the day time frame, so 2 days of hammer candle signs, which is rejecting the bottom side, currently facing the same kind of resistance as Bitcoin. If we put the horizontal line mark here, there is a double bottom here and then a double up on this side. So many resistance levels. So it's currently staying between the price of 33 cents to all the way up to 38 cents, and we shall figure this out. And ending it with this, just want to end it on a funny note. The SEC is still trying to stop Ripple while Ripple is conquering the financial system. And this right here, the lady is representing the SEC. Let me play this video. As you guys see it here, yes, the lady is trying to push all the waves, but this is the SEC trying to push everything that XRP is doing, and it is inevitable what XRP will be doing. You can't stop it, and Ripple, the team, will always win with this financial system. By that being said, guys, we're all on the same page. Let's be on the same page and understand what's really going on in these financial markets. I'm here to educate. I'm here to entertain. I'm here to speak the truth. You make the final decision with the truth and the facts presented to you. I'm Crypto E. God bless you guys for joining UL Exchange. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.